Right now, there's no better way to learn all the knowledge to get through your helicopter rating than using a step-by-step course. If you're here, it's because you're looking for additional help to sift through this great big pile of books in front of you or a bunch of apps you have downloaded to your tablet or your smartphone. There is a ton of ways to study, but unless someone's walking you through it step by step, it can be very difficult to learn. So if you're trying to figure out how to get from point A to point B, which is the license in your pocket to go out and have fun, you are in the right place. And we can definitely help you. We've helped more people than probably anybody you'll ever meet, mainly because we've been doing it for a long time and helping a lot of people. And you can see those on the wall behind me, what we call the HOGS Wall of Fame. Those are our past customers and members that have passed their test and have their license, whichever one they were going after. Your time is valuable, so I'm going to get right to the point. We have several options for membership with our Helicopter Line Ground School to help you get through private, commercial, instrument, CFI, professional pilot, whatever it is that you're going for, we have something that can help you get through the training that you're going after. Somewhere on this page, there's a button where you can book a call to speak with our team, and we can evaluate you, see where you're at, and come up with a special plan for you. This is what we do, is the ground knowledge. What we don't do is we don't train you in the aircraft, we don't issue you the test. If you're brand new to helicopter training and don't know anything and you haven't even started yet, we can still help you, but you have to get a plan in motion on where you're actually going to fly and what aircraft you're going to fly. There's a lot of questions there, and we can help you with that. You can use our training basically from anywhere in the world, and you can pick the flight school of your choice. Flying the helicopter, that can be done anywhere, and then you'll end up taking your test with an FAA designated examiner, usually somewhere very near the school that you're doing your actual flight training with. So that's not what we do here. We help you with the knowledge. And I can tell you, 75% of the work to get this helicopter license is knowledge. 25% of it is actually flying the helicopter. And if you're brand new to this, that might sound kind of funny to you, but it's almost like a college course with the amount of information you have to know to become a helicopter pilot. There's a lot there, trust me, there's a lot to learn. A majority of the time, the people that we're working with have usually already started flying and start a little bit of the book work, and then they've quickly realized that, wow, this is a mountain of information. Some flight schools do a really good job at training you and helping you with that ground knowledge. So some of our members like to just have the additional benefit of our online courses and our online training. Some flight schools just throw the books at you and say, here's the book, read it. And that's unfortunately the reality of what goes on in the industry. That's why we created Helicopter Line Ground School, is to get people through the knowledge, because the knowledge is the hard part, I'm telling you. We spend a lot more time studying and learning and talking about flying than what we actually do flying, at least in the beginning until you get further into your career where you're flying all the time. So the first thing that we're going to do for you is give you like a 10-minute call. See where you're at, evaluate where you want to go with your training, whether you're just going for a private pilot or you're going for a professional career. And then if you like, we'll set up another call, a discovery call, where we go a little more in depth, come up with a plan, and present to you what we think we can do to help you pursue this helicopter rating and get through this training and get to the end result, which is that license in your hand. We help people from all over the world and all walks of life, from people just starting out to guys like Jamie Cobb, one of the members up on our wall. Jamie had 200 hours in a helicopter that he owned. He'd had 8 different instructors and called us up because he was frustrated because after 2 years and all that time and money, and he still wasn't done. And with Jamie, we worked out a special program where we brought him and his helicopter up here after he did our online training, got his knowledge prepared, came up here, and in 9 days we had him finished up and was on his way back home to Texas. Everybody's got a story, everybody's got a struggle. You can see them all along the HOGS Wall of Fame. This is what we do, help people get the helicopter rating. So I have no doubt that me and my team can help you at whatever stage you're at. Somewhere on this page there's a book a call button, so go ahead, book a call, and we'll get started, and we'll figure out where you're at, evaluate you, present you a plan, and if nothing else, if you decide not to move forward, you're at least going to get some free information from us. But I want to guarantee you that we can help you. And if you're looking for that, just an online course to help supplement your knowledge, you're looking on a custom one-on-one program built specifically to help get you through depending on what your struggle is. For example, like the one I mentioned just a minute ago, Jamie, you know, those horror stories are out there. I really encourage you to book a call with us. Let's have a chat, see where you're at, and we'll go from there. Thanks for checking out this video. Click that link and have a great day.